How to use Google's new AI mode in search. Firstly, open your Google Chrome. So Google's AI mode is an AI-powered feature inside Google search that gives you quick summarized answer at the top of your result page. To enable this, you will firstly need to go to Google Search Labs. Go to the search bar and type in Google Search Labs. At the top right corner, you will see this kind of icon that says Search Labs. Click on that. Now inside your Search Labs, scroll down and under the section AI Experiments, you will see a section AI Overviews and more. Simply click on Turn On to turn this option on. Now click on the option I agree. You will see the button that says Start Searching, so click on that. Now in this Google search, you can search for anything. At the very right corner of your search bar, you should also see the option that says AI mode. You can even turn that on. Now you can search for anything that you want to know about and the AI will give you an overview. Here at the top, as you can see, there is an AI overview. You can even click on Show More to show more details. There's also an option called Dive Deeper in AI mode, so you can even use that feature. So that's all for today. Thank you.